Yeah, just don't, if you can stay there. I'm so glad she came out. Oh, we finally saw her. Uh-oh. Don't worry, I'll intervene if she tries to kick his ass or something, because she is. She'll try to kick a cat's ass, but I don't know about a dog. Oh, I wish I could keep him. It's a little perfect combination.
Well, if I ever want to go on vacation, maybe you dog sit.
Yeah.
Yeah, he'll probably stay away until he knows that
He keeps
the
looking.
cat's not gonna smack him. He's been smacked before a lot. The cat.
Oh, yes. Aw. Yeah, if he got any closer to her, she probably would.
Yeah.
She's looking at me. Chloe. It's okay, Chloe.